Hello, Catherine. Uh, Thanks for joining me. So we are in a new. Can you hear me? Oh, okay. Probably the connection is not strong enough. Yeah. Okay. Here maybe. Well, this is the Saint Stephen Church. As many churches here during the winter, they are closed. And this one is closed. But I want to show you something really interesting in the same area. And what I can say is that probably the, the church has been built here for that reason. Okay, let's say we will walk around the church before, firstly. Then I will show you the interesting thing. Can you hear me? I don't know if it's working, but anyway. Would be great if you could share the link of the video with friends. Okay, here is the church. Unfortunately, we cannot enter. This is the valley of the town of Oskiri, the really green place, small town. You can hear the sheeps, birds. Oh, someone else has joined. Okay, that's the church. Very simple. They are working on it, so probably that's why it's closed. Robin, hello. Hi, Robin. Thanks for joining. Well, um, if you were on my previous live today, so you know my battery is not so fully charged, so it will be a very short tour. Uh, Not to mention the church is closed, but the place is nice to see. And I want to show you. Thanks. Can you hear me, or is it the volume? Maybe the volume. Can you hear me now? Maybe the wind. Okay. Anyway, what you're gonna see is interesting, even without my voice or the sound. Strange characters, strange font, strange inscription. I will have to study it. Okay, can you hear me now? I don't know if it's the microphone seems to be working, but anyway, this is one of the interesting things. But what I want to show you is this. Just a few seconds, moment. I will close my jacket so the microphone. Okay. show you this. Look. This is prehistoric, pre-Nuragic era. So around 12,000 years ago, from 9,000 to 12,000 years ago. And that is not all, because here have a look. Nobody knows who did this, and of course there are a lot of theories, like a cult of the dead and passage to another dimension, to the afterlife, and all sort of explanations. Hi Beata, hi. Thanks for joining. Oh, I'm happy you are at least more than two, now 4 of you. Wait, Eileen, oh, thanks for joining. Well, that's what part of what I want you to see. But there is more, because just in front of the church, I haven't pointed the camera before, because I want to show you it entirely. Okay, here. One. Remember, this was done between 9 and 12,000 years ago. And also here, interesting. And now I'll show you the what were those rock indentations for back then? Let me show you the best part. So, here. I said earlier, there are a lot of theories about this place. What was it for? Some say like a gathering site for special ceremonies with seats for some sort of authorities, um, like some altars for offerings, some sort of stairs. As you can see, some of them have some holes around. On that one there are 12, probably related to some sort of calendar. Plus a 13 over there. And the central here seems to be this one, and this one also has some holes all around. And this other. Well, you know, I think they will never find out what what this place was for. They will continue to invent explanations. The only thing I know is that there is a very strong energy. Look at this tree, just in the middle. It's cork. Thank you, Robin. Wood cutting noise. Otherwise, this place is really calm. This one is interesting. How advanced could be people who did this? This is granite. It's very hard to sculpt. Seems there is a cross here, but the cross could be could have been done later, during the Christian era. Seems there is another one up there. This one seems to have like 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. also the area around is interesting. Mm, here is another. Can you see the shape? This is the third, my third visit here, and I can tell you that even if it's in plain sight, this is the first time I realized this shape. Never seen it before. And what? Starting to bloom. No, 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 they are not recent. Yeah, I understand um, what you mean. They are so clean and so precise. Other strange rocks. The battery is quite gone. This is natural. But not this one. Look at the face. In profile. Well, my plan was to show you another interesting thing, but can't find it. This place is really strange. I lost the orientation about that particular place. It's a hole inside on a granite wall, and here in Sardinia we call them, and that means the houses of the fairies. Ah, here it is. Here it is. Are you still there? I found it. Here. Ready? Can you hear me? Yeah, unfortunately the connection there is really weak, so it's not possible to for me to go inside. So, House of the Fairies. I'll try to go as close as possible. I have the microphone, so I cannot go inside. Let me check for the other one, because Gregory, hey! So long. Let me try the other one. The other one is bigger. That's, I came to search it earlier, but I couldn't find. Ah, there. Some. Wow. Here's the bigger one. So, House of the Fairies. There is a long tradition here in Sardinia about those kind of place. Look, this one's bigger. 14% left battery. Here we are. Is the stream still on? Yeah, gimbal starting to make some weird noise. Okay, so then manually, sorry for that, but I'll try to go in. Water. You see, there's another chamber there. And a shelf. The battery don't want me to go inside. Whoops. So the gimbal is okay. See, a drain. Whoa. Sorry. Want to see if I can. Okay, I'm using the drone batteries. There's a lot to explore in this place, but I would need a second battery. Yeah. Valley, Green Valley. Well, we are reaching 8% battery live. Okay, so battery is quite gone. Well, I think I'm gonna fly the drone, but the wind is too strong. So thank you for being here. I'm really happy I showed part of this place. It's a really interesting place. Thank you, Catherine. Can you hear the ships? Look, look. Spring. Spring is coming. So sorry for that. Wow. That should, that would make a great wallpaper. Yeah. No, no. Gimbal seems drunk. Okay. So, okay. Gimbal off. Well, that's all for today. I will stay here a couple of minutes and then drive back home. Thanks again. See you soon. Ciao. End of the tour. 2%